Alright, go ahead.
Yeah! Big turbo, baby! Change up the fuel pump now.
We're changing the fuel pump. Read the instructions, sir. You have to stop and then replay it. Alright. Alright.
Woo! Start your car, bitch!
Go around the seat, right foot, my rear seat's up high. My keys are somewhere. Alright, so turbo's up. Sorry. Oh, okay. I gotta get the seat back from.
No, this is what's good.
Yeah, okay. Alright, you ready? 31. 1, 2.
Do not rev.
I did not rev it. Is that good enough?
Already?
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Let me try it again. Alright.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
What? Alright, we're back.
Hey, oh, time to get out. Yeah.
Guess who's going to go get the fuel pump? Let's go check it out. And he's running. Like something else. Turbo, angel type. The fuel pump in there?
What?
You guys on you? Oh, never mind. Fuel pump. New one. Alright, before I start taking pictures, tell them how fucked up this day was.
Yeah, very fucked up. Fucking 7 hours on the fucking fuel pump.
Yeah, fuel pump. It's only
Yeah.
supposed to take like 30 minutes.
Yeah, started at 8 and it's damn near 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
But we got it now, son. Yeah.
Got that off. Head was down there. Alright, part 7. Hours later. Or the next morning. Yeah. Fall.
At least the car's running this morning.
Yeah. It's what? Alright. Hold the phone. Recording? Oh, not recording, but hey, look. Intercooler. Wow.
Tires burning, baby!
That's my tire warning. Nice, that idle's good.
About to move. 20 miles an hour. You ready, John? Want me to do it?
Careful.
Want me to do it?
Don't do it too fast.
3, 2, 1.
There's a red light. Roll. Huh? 30? Yeah, 30. Right here? Woo! Crazy. Take out this fucking seatbelt, locking up on me.
Dude, it's like fucking, the second like I hit 80, I get like my VTEC kicks in.
You're a VTEC?
I have my VTEC.
Okay, Cadillac.
No, trust me, you gotta run this. The second I hit 80, it kicks back and I start catching it at 90, boom. I'm 30.
Oh, cop, go.
What?
Cop. Dude, I could have sworn I seen lights flashing, dude. I'm not joking, dude. I'm not fucking joking. All right, slow down. He was back there, but them cops will catch up to you when you're stopped. I could have sworn I seen the cop, dude. Who's that?
You record all that?
Yeah.
Yes, dude, I can't wait to see that shit.
I don't know where the camera was aiming. I could have sworn I seen lights.
I seen lights too, dude.
You seen lights?
Yeah.
Hey, why'd you guys dip?
Dude, I could have sworn to God I seen cop lights behind y'all.
There was an ambulance on 9A.
Oh, hey! All I see was lights flashing, dude.
You thought I was a cop? When I just pulled in? I saw you turn your lights off when I turned my high beams on.
Yeah.
Guys,
Please.